It's a practice that costs Chicago taxpayers nearly $40 million a year that some question as a super costly city hall shell game. Moving parts, moving money, and moving lawsuit assignments. Why some suits are farmed out to private law firms, even though the city has its own law department budgeted to handle legal problems. Many of the cases involve police violence. Victims say a drawn-out litigation process is traumatic.
Why did you kill my thumb?
6 years later, the pain is still raw. Former officer Lowell Hauser was off duty from the Chicago Police Department when he shot and killed 38-year-old Jose Nieves in 2017. Nieves was not armed. Hauser was convicted of second-degree murder and sentenced to 10 years. The Nieves family sued Hauser and the city of Chicago.
I would rather have a bone-crushing hug from my brother than any money or anything.
A $1.9 million settlement went to the Nieves family and their attorneys, but it took 5 years. An I-Team data analysis shows the city spent nearly $1 million taxpayer dollars on outside law firms to litigate the case.
The city of Chicago is spending millions of dollars defending indefensible cases, and those firms' objective, from what I have seen, is to bill as many hours as they can of taxpayer money versus working to resolve cases.
Through a public records request, the I-Team found that the past 5 years, Chicago forked over about $40 million a year to private firms, instead of hiring more in-house attorneys who would make significantly less money as public employees. We calculated that the entire law department budget is about the same as the total amount the city spends annually on outside law firms.
As soon as I looked at the budget and saw the outside spending, I was like, this is ridiculous.
Mark Flessner was the city of Chicago's top attorney until he was asked to resign by Mayor Lori Lightfoot in 2020. He says he was working to hire more in-house attorneys so taxpayers wouldn't have to spend so much defending the city.
I was working on that big time with the city council members to try to get, because it would save the city $40 to $50 million a year.
Flessner says it costs about 5 times more to send a case to outside counsel than it does to keep it in-house. Funding for private firms doesn't even come out of the law department budget.
It's just a general spending of the city. They play with the city budget and they play with the law department budget, and they're able to say the law department budget is low, and they don't have to account for the outside counsel fees.
Several attorneys we talked to say the city isn't being transparent.
You know the full amount immediately when City Council is approving that will go to the survivor of police violence and their counsel. What hasn't been revealed publicly, what sort of has been in the shadows, is what it's costing the city to defend these lawsuits. So the fact that when we see these headlines, we're only getting a fraction of the story.
City council is not aware of what the law department pays outside counsel.
The public should know how much of their taxpayer dollars are going to defend these cases. And there's got to be a better way to resolve these cases other than wasting taxpayer money and making these families go through years of unnecessary and wasteful litigation.
Some are pushing for the city to adopt a policy where civil rights filings are analyzed to identify cases that could be resolved more quickly.
There is a way that this litigation could be significantly streamlined, and it could save taxpayers millions of dollars. But it would really require the political will to prioritize making survivors whole and to conserve taxpayer dollars.
Betty says a more thoughtful process would have helped the Nieves family.
I wanted my voice to be heard to get justice for my brother.
The law department turned down I-Team requests for an on-camera interview and would not answer questions about whether they plan to reduce the use of outside counsel in the future. The department has 276 attorney positions. 39 of those are currently vacant.
Watch breaking news on YouTube. Subscribe to ABC7 Chicago Eyewitness News.